What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today I'm gonna install something on the Ryker to make your ride more comfortable. Shout out to my people over at Showchrome for sending the Commander mini boards for the Can Am Ryker. So these are the mini floorboards for the Can Am Ryker. I'll give you a real breakdown of what it says. So they're 4 inches by 4 inches CNC billet aluminum boards, satin black finish with white accent, anti-vibration rubber surface, locking angle adjustment custom mounts. That means you can still angle them to your comfort pitch. So let's see what we got in the box here. A lot of bubble wrap, mounting hardware, of course. Let's see what we got here. 2 pedal commanders, and I believe those are going to be the anchors. So let's see what we got here. And of course, in the instructions and always a warranty. So let me show you what you're working with here so you can get an idea of the size. So this is it right here. This is all rubber, aluminum accents, metal backing, teeth, etched teeth here. So I'm assuming for, well, of course it's going to be for the angle when you put your foot. A lot more surface area, a lot more comfort in riding. So let's go ahead and do an install. Okay, let's get ready to do the install. We're going to start here with the right side. Here's your foot peg. Here's your bolt that locks the foot peg on. Here's your instructions, your mounting hardware, your pegs, and your 2 Allen keys. So you're gonna need one, I think it's a 5 or a 6, to remove this bolt. Then all of this is gonna get assembled and put on. So let's remove the bolt and I can start showing you how it's done. All right, flip this up. It breaks the tension in the bolt. So it would have went easy if I had a ratcheting set, but I don't. But once you break the tension in the bolt, it's gonna come right off. Ooh, a little bit of rust in there. That's wild. Okay, so you're gonna see how this has one for the brake pedal, so their attachment also has one. So you see it's like similar. And these will also be able to adjust, so you'll be able to flip them up and down just like the originals. So let's thread this back in. Remember, if you want to get 10% off of your Showchrome accessories, So now we'll install the floorboard. They have the bolt. So I don't know. They gave you a nut, but I don't see where the nut goes. So the point of having the nut. Let me see. They do give you a nut, but I don't see the point of it because this is going to screw right into here. So now I'm not going to make it too tight because I'm going to have to adjust this. So I want to get it to where it's comfortable on my feet. So let me see what's a good comfort angle. Oh, I like this. Oh man, I should have tightened it way before. Let me bring that brake pedal up though. Let me see something. Let me bring this up. Bring my brake pedal out, up a little more. Bring this down. Find a good angle. Yeah, so this is it, right here. So what I'm gonna do is tighten everything up. And remember, if you want any of these items, go to Big Bike Parts, type in code ROLLING-ON3, get 10% off these, 10% off any parts from Show Chrome. So I got one side installed. How does it look? A little dirty. I had my foot on it. That's a good angle. Tightening everything up. I'm gonna do the other side. All right, I just took this one off. And remember, I had to drill holes for the big, large mounts I previously did in the video. Now I am downgrading to a small one. So just got that one off. Just be careful when you loosen this one up, the whole mechanism is going to drop down, so just be careful. Let's put it back. Let's put the new mount in. For some reason, every time I go outside to work on my bike, when I say, today's gonna be a good day, I get nice rain coming down now. Okay. That's it. Perfect angle. I put it at the perfect angle in one shot. That's what you have. Flips up just like the old one. Flip the whole mechanism up. You want to slide back and forth, or you could just turn those in. So now you have it. I'm done with the install. That's it. Shout out to my people over at Showchrome. If you want to get these or any items, the link is below. Use my code rolling on 3. It's pouring rain. I'm out of here. Ride safe.